Good morning. My name is Katinka. I live at the south point of Africa, and today I'm going to show you how to make this garland. And Bubbles is helping us. First, you cut out a heart, then you sew it right around. You can do it by hand or by machine. Leave an open space. Remember to do your little cuts so that it can turn in. Oh, okay. Otherwise, when you turn it around and you didn't do those cuts, then it might look like that. So the cuts are important. Then you turn it inside out. Use your finger to push out all the parts. Then you fill it with batting. After you fill it with batting and you've turned it around, you're going to sew up that piece. Just small little overhand stitches. Now the fun part. This is for a little girl that was born a while ago. I want to make a garland. And this one's going to get a big bow. And the others will just get pieces of ribbon so that I can tie it to the string. And then on the ends of the string, we will put 2 rings so it's easy to hang up. For the ribbon, remember to burn the ends so they don't unravel. And you literally just go close to the flame. So for these ones, the big ones, I always like to cut them at an angle like that because I just think it looks pretty. Let's talk about how to make a sewed bow. So the first thing is you fold it like that. Then you gather it in the middle with a needle and thread. So I literally just gather it up and put the needle through 2 or 3 times. And now I'm going to take this little piece of ribbon and sew it in place like that. Let's see if we can get it to focus. There. So I just folded the ribbon over itself. There you can see it's peeking out, and I sewed it in place. Don't cut your cotton off, because we're going to use that thread to sew it onto the heart like that. So here we have this, and this is going to go on top of that. But usually you will make it so it goes inside of this, but I'll show you now. So you will normally sew it down there up until that corner. Make sure your ribbon is in the corner and then sew up. And then when you turn it inside out, then you have the ribbon in place already. But I forgot to do that. So we're just going to sew it on like I showed you there, like that. One done. Now the arrows are not going to get the bow, they will just be plain. But I like it. Oops. All of them are done. Okay. Let's measure 30 centimeters. Centimeters. And 30 centimeters. And now I'm going to show you on this one. Fold over and sew it down. But first, I'm going to sew the rings on the ends of this piece of rickrack. So goes on the wrong side. And I'm going to do 3 more.